When you install a package with NuGet, you're going to notice a new packages directory in the same folder as the solution file hosting your project. Inside of this packages directory is going to be all of the packages that you have installed for any of the projects in that solution. In other words, NuGet is not downloading packages into a central location, it's storing them on a per solution basis. It's not putting anything into the GAC or somewhere under program files. This makes it easier to update and version packages as you move a solution forward. You don't have to worry about updating a library inside of one project and having it overwrite a different version that you're using in a different project and making things break. Everything NuGet does is going to be local to a particular solution. From Visual Studio, let's explore that packages folder by right-clicking on the solution and saying Open Folder in Windows Explorer. There's my solution file. There's the packages folder. Inside of here, you'll see the individual packages that I have installed, so AutoMapper in its specific version, Mock in its specific version. There's also a little housekeeping file here, repositories.config. That's just keeping track of where the individual config files are in my projects. So you'll notice that each project where you add a NuGet package, you'll find a packages.config file, and it's simply going to list all of the packages that have been installed into this project. The unit testing project is using Mock. The web project is using AutoMapper. Inside of the individual package folders now, if we drill into Mock, you'll find the lib directory that has the Mock DLL. You'll also find a NUPKG file, a new package file. This is the package. It's actually a zip file. We can open it up with a tool like WinZip or 7-Zip. And basically what you'll find inside are the files that need to be extracted, including a NuSpec file, which we'll look at just a little bit later. And it's the same story for AutoMapper. If we drill into that folder, there'll be a lib folder that has the assembly that we're using, and also the package file itself. The end result is that NuGet is really just doing an Xcopy deploy. It's putting stuff on the file system. You're not going to have to go into programs and features and remove a program after NuGet has finished running. It's not like the web platform installer that installs large pieces and frameworks like ASP.NET 4 and IIS. It's a simple tool to copy files around and add references into projects and configure them and also manage dependencies.